I was 19, broke, and dangerously overconfident. I just watched a YouTube video called How to Mine Bitcoin with Household Appliances. Seemed legit. The guy had a chart. He wore glasses. He said microwaves emitted computational waves. So I did what any genius would do. I plugged in my mom's microwave, slapped a USB stick into the side like it was a GPU, typed Bitcoin, EXE into Notepad, because that's how hacking works, and hit start. Nothing happened. I waited 30 minutes. Then I microwaved a Hot Pocket to activate the algorithm. It exploded. Not with Bitcoin, with marinara. The microwave died. The kitchen smelled like betrayal. I never told my mom what happened. To this day, she thinks it was the cat. I'm now 27. Bitcoin hit $69,000 last year. And every time I reheat soup, I remember that I could have been rich.